In Yoruba spirituality, the universe is a place of balance. There is a light and there is also shadow. We have the forces of good called Irunmole, and we have the forces of negativity called Ajogun. Understanding both is key to living a protected and powerful life. We will learn who they are, what they do, and how to deal with them. Let's start with the good. The Irunmole are the divine forces of light. They are the Orishas and other powerful spirits that work for the good of humanity. Think of them as the helpers in the universe. They bring positive energy